Welcome, friends. I'm Gopa Chakravarti here, presenting Greenhouse. Greenhouse is at 548 Lake Road, Kolkata, Kolkata 29. And my booking number 89810 So back again with me. This time I'll give you a display of good Bengal handloom cottons. We start with the cottons, but you have to wait till the end. Don't skip out. We will be showing different things at different time. We start now. These are all Dure Tat. Dure Tat, friends, they are very nostalgic. The Dure is from Dhonekhali. These are all horizontal striped ones. इन साड़ियों में खूबी है जो ऐसे ही ये लाइंस बनती है और इसका जमीन भी बहुत अच्छा है. इसका जो बॉडी है वेरी फाइन. काफ़ी हम लोग नॉस्टैल्जिक हो जाते हैं जब डूरेज देखते हैं. आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ डूरेज, सो आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर माय डूरेज टू कम. These are like this. If we open out, it gives you that classy look. And you know the price? Price is very moderately priced. It is 1200. This is for 1200, dear friends. You'll be happy to get it. आराम से धोइए, पहनिए, ओढ़िए, जो मर्जी करिए. The whole day you will be comfortable with these sarees. This is 1200, our pride of Bengal, these Dhonekhalis. 1200. So one more interesting piece. मुझे अच्छी लग रही है बहुत, इसलिए आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. और काफ़ी कलरफुल होती है और you know the width, especially the width is so comfortable. It is around 46-47 inches width. Look at this. These are all starched also, but the body is very finely woven. All handloom stuff. Going for 1200. And এটার যে নকশাটা করা আছে, নকশাটা দেখুন কত সুন্দরভাবে করা আছে. Look at this woven section. This is that Naksha part, Dure Tat. Dure in Bengali means there are horizontal stripes. This is the one. Take it away and fold it properly. This is the one. Very simple ones, but you know, একটা শাড়ি এরকম পরলে না একেবারে ফ্রেশ লুক এসে যায়. লুক এট দিস, ভেরি ফাইন. দেখুন একেবারে পিন স্ট্রাইপড ওয়ান্স. দে আর দ্য পিন স্ট্রাইপ. খুব আরামের শাড়ি. Lovely things at a very comfortable price. 1200, please. And you know, they are all from Dhonekhali. This passes over to generations. These designs also, they are very typical. You know, these two marked lines, they are very, all the Dhonekhalis will have this kind of woven. Dhane shish dekhun ekta kora royeche. These are going for 1200, dear friends. And one of this with the pink, soft pink border. এটাও দেখুন, আহা পরলেই যেন শান্তি. দারুণ মিষ্টি শাড়িটা. Look at this. Such a serene, ठंडक लाएगी ये साड़ियाँ. These are all going for 1200. All for 1200, dear friends. How do you find these? They are all 5.5 meters. भरपूर, काफ़ी बने, आराम से पहनिए. And you can wash and wear. Wash and wear, but rinse it not very roughly. Rinse it in a polite way, in a modest way, and सुखाइए और पहनिए. And you need not starch it all the time. It's like this, 1200 for each piece. Hey, there's a black and white coming. ভাষা দিবসের শাড়ি নিয়ে নিন। এগুলো কিন্তু সমস্ত ধনেখালি তাঁত, the hand woven ধনেখালি তাঁত। Look at this. Heritage sarees. দেখুন। This goes like this. সুন্দর বুটিগুলো দেখুন, সুন্দর লাগছে খুব। ভরপুর বুটিস। This is for 2150. 2150, dear. And here's one more. পূজা অ্যাপ্রোচিং। পুজোর সময় এরকম একটা হালকা নরম শাড়ি পরলে কি আনন্দ, সমস্ত পুজোর কাজ করতে পারবেন এইসব শাড়ি পরে। এই শাড়ি পরে পুজোর কাজ করুন। Look at this. Such a beauty. This is priced 1900 only. This is priced 1900 only. Lovely thing. Look at this. How graceful it will look when worn. লালেতে সাদাতে শাড়ি সারাদিন পুজোতে পরে থাকুন। These are all hand woven sarees from Hooghly district. It's ভীষণ smart. A smart saree I'll show you now. Look at this. There's a sticker over there that is the tag, I think is a different this thing. Anyway, look at this. They've numbered the sarees. Look at this piece. Enjoy this piece, dear friends. What a lovely presentation of the saree. Look at this. It'll look so smart when worn. Mix it up with whatever blouses you have. This is, friends, this is costing only 1800. 1800 for this saree. ভীষণ সুন্দর. Look at this. $1800 for this. Black and white stripes, though it's very rare. Yes, this is the one. Red in color with a skirt border. Skirt border, ebar fashion hai janen to. The skirt border sarees, they look fantastic when worn. This is the one. Red and white border. They're very typical designs of Dhonikhali. And it has all tassels like this. And they're of good count, 84 count. You love to wear these sarees. The Z1, red and white. Yes, this was the one which was in demand for so many days. We made around 10 sarees, but my weaver was not ready to make this. Again, this design is started and he has sent me at 2 of them. Look at this. এই শাড়িগুলো কিন্তু মানে একসঙ্গে 20টা হয়তো বুনন হয়, তারপর কিন্তু ওই ডিজাইনটা আপনারা চাইলেও আমরা দিতে পারি না। We can't serve you if the design is complete with the weavers. Then again they'll put the design and make these sarees. Fresh শাড়ি করার জন্য আবার এই নতুন ডিজাইনের শাড়িটা আবার তৈরি হয়েছে. It's very classy with a central paneling. কাজটা দেখুন ভারী সুন্দর। When you put on the sari, it's looking so beautiful. And width also, very comfortable width, which is very important. Yes, very stylish combination, ভীষণ stylish. This, look at this color. It is warp and webbed, different kind of, they've used different color. This is gray and mustard together. So very beautiful. Look at this. It'll just stand out. শাড়িটা দেখুন। আর সমস্ত আড়াই ডুরে করা রয়েছে আর কাজ। $1,900 please. $1,900 for this sari. $1,900 for this sari. And this was needed for a long time. So many of you, we had to refuse you. We were not having this design. এগুলো এসেছে আবার থেকে, নিয়ে নিন যার পছন্দ, যাদের যাদের পছন্দ তারা নিতে পারেন এই শাড়ি। This was priced how much? $2,150. $2,150. Central paneling এর এই শাড়িটা খুব গর্জিয়াস লাগবে in any occasions. It will depict Bengal, बांग्ला शोभा। ये साड़ी आप लीजिए और बंगाल को रिप्रेजेंट करिए। बंगाली साड़ी है, typical, very typical. $2,150. $2,150. And here's my, we want to show this. No, I don't want to show this. We will start with this first. Let me take out and give you this sarees. Zari bordered tassels. Now I start with my embroidery lot. Embroidered sarees made in our boutique. Jori border তসরে কাঁথা স্টিচেস দিয়ে এগুলোকে ফিলিং করা হয়েছে to decorate with কাঁথা, to give it a gorgeous look. Look at this. So very gorgeous. এটা গাছি তসরের জারি বর্ডার, काफी अच्छी है इसका weaving is, when you'll get strength in weaving. This is the one, and this is the Alpana design which has been done up with kantha, filled with kantha, all the outlined with kantha. This is the one. And how about the blouse of this sari? Goes like this. The blouse part is this one. Yes, and this is priced. This is priced 9,400 please. 9,400. 9,000, a beauty. Look at this. This is styled like this. 9,400 dear. 9,400 একটা মানে সমস্ত কিছু রয়েছে শাড়িটার, খুব গর্জিয়াস লুক। 9,400. And here's one more interesting piece. দেখুন এটাও খুব সুন্দর। Look at this. Oh, I wanted to show that kalamkari, the striped one. Look at this. Look at this. Could you make out the loving couple enjoying rainfall, rain? দেখুন কি সুন্দর। And they filled with kantha again, the umbrella. umbrella ta notice karo, note the umbrella section. They're all filled with very artistic. এটা স্টাইল করেছে আর্টিসান, নিজের ওতে একটা ক্যানভাস ভেবে এটাকে শাড়িটাকে এঁকেছে, এঁকে তারপরে it has been decorated. Look at the aanchal section filled with katha embroidery. This is the one, it's like this, the katha embroidered sari. It looks awesome. And the effect of the sky, the cloud and the sky, they wanted to give this impression. With this kind of BP, you can use this for your back of the blouse. This is the one. This is for 8885. This is for 8885. 8,885, dear. 8,885 on a tussar. 8,885. We have this one now. Yes. এটা দেখুন, this is on a typical धूप छाव रंग. ये देखिए ये साड़ी खिल रही है कितना, ये इसके लिए बॉडी बहुत सुंदर है इसका. This is with a धूप छाव color. Which are the two colors? I'll tell you. This is, one of them are magenta and one green. They've used in warp and wept two colors. দুটো রং দিয়ে শাড়িটার বুনন, আর এটা বিষ্ণুপুর সিল্ক. This is বিষ্ণুপুর সিল্ক. And the volume of work, দেখুন এটা কত সুন্দর পরিষ্কার কাজ হয়েছে all throughout. প্রথম 1 মিটার আঁচল is totally full of Kutch embroidery. And then it comes to the yoke portion, which is again 1.5 meters, 1.5 meters yoke, and then the lower border. Lower border is complete with good quality stitches. The total effect of the sari with the blouse piece. Look at this, when you just waving the sari, you're getting the impression of magenta also. Sometimes it will be magenta, sometimes green. This is the piece, it will go with the sari. This is the blouse piece. The blouse is also nicely, they've done the blouse also nicely. Look at the back section. बैक में भी भरपूर काम है और स्लीव्स भी ऐसे बनी हुई हैं. এটাও পরে খুব, look at this saree. This is very beautiful. A good quality Bishnupur silk. 4-ply Bishnupur silk. Oh, the price. I was forgetting to tell the price. How much it was priced? They haven't put the price. Again, I'll give you the price after 1 hour or so. Get me the price, please. Get me the price first, huh? And then this is the one I wanted to show you. Yes, this is on a Monga tussar, dear friend. This is a very classy piece. Look at this. Look at this. You got the price? Live में दिखाओ. Look at this. There's a hand painted sari which is beautified with katha embroidery. colorful ones. Look at this. Moonga tussars. They're all patches. देखिए कांथा से बनी हुई है पैचेस. कॉम्बिनेशन भी प्यारी है. Look at this. What a gorgeous effect. This is the one. And this is on Moonga tussars so that it is very, comfortable again. It's a lightweight tussar. This is for 10,585, dear friends. This is for 10,585. 10,585, please. With the blouse piece like this. With the blouse piece over here. This is the one. And let me show you a few of my bandhanis with shiboris on tussar. Their beauty. Look at this. This is on tussar. Dekho, look at this. This section is done up with shibori work. There are plenty of piercing marks of needles over needle. Tie and dye effect. This is needle shibori this side of the sari, and this portion is total that bandhani effect. This is the bandhani effect. And with the border, it's looking awesome. Let me have a look at the blouse. This is the blouse piece where there's a beautiful stretch of shibori. This is the stretch of shibori. The blouse piece is 1 meter in length. You could make different style with this shibori. This is priced 13,400, dear friends. 13,400. 13,400. Yes, this is one of them. अरेक्टा दिखाई. और एक देखिए, शिबोरीज एक दो ही थी मेरे पास, मैंने सोचा फिर से दिखा देते हैं. Look at this. I find this also very beautiful. Color देखिए. The combination. The color is coming perfect. Color is perfect color you are getting. This is the one. Look at this. This section is done with shibori. This is the shibori effect on the sari, and this is the bandhani. Bandhani देखिए, bandhani के side भी बहुत प्यारा है, and this combination is striking. Something unusual. 13,400, dear friends. And one more. This is the one. This is a Gujarati sari on tussar. This is a tie and dye effect on the whole sari, and they've developed with this kind of Kutch embroidery. The bordering. Bordering is with the Kutch embroidery, and these are the designed ones, which is done up with Gujarati embroidery. এটাও কিন্তু খুব সুন্দর কাজ হয়েছে. Look at the whole sari, and I'll just pleat it and show the sari. Look at this. This looks so nice when worn. The fall its quality is very good. কোয়ালিটি অফ তসরটাও খুব ভালো কোয়ালিটির তসর এগুলো। দেখুন এগুলো তসরটাই খুব সুন্দর কোয়ালিটি। দিস উইল বি দ্য ইফেক্ট। এটার ইফেক্ট শাড়িটার। And this is the whole lot. This is the archal section. This is the archal section of this one. This is costing you 13,800 with this kind of blouse piece we've given. This sort of blouse piece. এটা দেয়া হয়েছে ব্লাউজ পিসটা দেখুন। ब्लाउज पीस तो बेश भालो काज है, काफी काम है ब्लाउज पीस में भी। ये देखिए, दिस इज द बैक, दिस इज द बैक, द टोटल बैक साइड, एंड दीज आर फॉर द स्लीव्स। So this costs 13,800 for the Kutch embroidered sari. This is the one. I'll give you this hand painted kalamkari and this kind of embroidery done. Look at this. Total with katha. Katha effect. For a kalamkari which is on tussar. Yes, the sari goes like this. The second half, look at the color. Color बहुत सुंदर है color. Look at this. This is the second half of the sari. Enjoy the katha work. Lovely golden yellow color. This is the sari. And the achal section. Got it? This is for 11,185. 11,185. Dear friends, this is a very good pick for you. 11,185, dear. Blouse piece, have I showed? Yes, the blouse piece is like this. Running blouse piece. This is the blouse section. It has 2 sleeves. It's around a meter we've given for the blouse piece. That's all for today, friends. Let me wind up. And love you all, friends. I'll be waiting for you. Thank you.